Oh, meow, 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 meow. Kuya is laughing. So, nandito na tayo.
You
Finally,
flew.
we're gonna see the three sisters. But the other sister is in the car right now.
Finally, you flew all the way
Finally,
from
from
New
Sydney.
Zealand
From New Zealand pala. Yeah.
and
And
travel by
travel
more than
by
an
feet.
hour.
Yan. So, this is the Echo Point lookout. So, this is where we're going to see the three sisters. And
Are you excited?
yes, I am very excited actually. And it's very clear.
majestic.
Yes, it's very clear right now. So, we can really see the
I-
majestic
You-
view of the three
I think you'll
sisters.
be like speechless when you see it.
Yes, I think so too.
It's very
So,
magical.
you just need to keep left, and keep left, keep left. So as you can see, it's like wow, the panoramic view is like amazing. I can't wait to see the three
We went
sisters.
here at the right time.
Yes, this is the
This is the perfect day for it.
perfect day to visit Three Sisters here at Blue Mountains, and we're gonna show you guys now. So this is
Oh my God, we're almost there.
oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna show you guys the Three Sisters. So this is the first sister. That's the first
Yeah, this is the
sister.
first.
Yes.
Yeah, correct.
Yes, that's the first sister. And
This is the second one.
this is the second one. This is the second sister. Oh my gosh, why the sisters are not so close?
Yeah, I think they had a quarrel.
Yeah, so this is the
Mm.
second sister. That's
The
the
third
one.
one is-
And yes. Can you show me where the third sister is?
Third sister is here.
Yes, this is the third sister. Oh my gosh, I love this panoramic view. Oh my god.
You see
Look.
their hands. in
Look
front
at that.
of them. Yeah.
Look at that. It's amazing. It's amazing. And to see the real sisters. To see the real
This
sisters.
is the lookout.
Yes, this is the lookout.
Perfect.
So, if you plan to visit here at Blue Mountains, make sure it's raining and foggy. So you will see the panoramic view. Yeah, there you go. So we flew all the way from New Zealand just to see this amazing view.
They have a photo here.
Yeah.
A drawing.
Yeah, and my husband is not even here. He's in the car because the view is too perfect for him to see.
Photo here.
Yeah, I'll see. Look at that.
Okay. Photo with the three sisters.
Yeah. Say cheese. Look at that view. Look at
Oh
that
my
view.
God.
Who would have thought that we will make it today? Huh?
It's so nice.
I wonder where their mother is, though. Yeah, so make sure if you visit Blue Mountains Three Sisters, make sure that it's raining this hard. Okay, and make sure that you won't see anything, so you'll regret it for the rest of your life. See you, bye.